In this session, we will discuss about business intelligence using Tableau. We will discuss how we can use Tableau for business intelligence, what are its products, how it uses database, what are the different types of chart we can create using this tool, and what are the advantages of using Tableau. First of all, we will talk about the Tableau products. There are 5 different types of Tableau products, out of which Tableau Desktop and Tableau Online are used for making the reports, while Tableau Server, Tableau Reader, and Tableau Public are used for publishing and sharing purpose. Tableau supports more than 50 databases like Big Data, Hadoop, Cloud databases, and many more. It divides the database into two parts. For numeric data, it creates measures, while for non-numeric data, it creates dimensions. It creates different types of chart using dimensions and measures. There are various types of charts like column chart, horizontal bar chart, pie chart, line chart, bubble chart, and so on. About 24 different types of charts are available in this tool. The advantages of using this tool are high speed, user friendly, and training tool for business intelligence purpose. As we all know, for business intelligence, we have to collect the data, we have to integrate the data, analyze the data, and present the data. So all these purposes can be solved using Tableau software. Now we'll see the demo of Tableau. For this, I am using Tableau online platform. Here firstly we have to upload the data. I am using the data consists of multiple rows and columns. I will upload this data first. I will go in the data section, new data source, then in files, then just you have to upload your data. Now it is uploading the file. Now as I said, it will divide the data into two parts. So initial part is your dimensions, which is non-numeric data like customer ID, gender, geography, roll number, surname, and the below is the list of measures, which is numeric data like age, balance, exited, then number of products, and so on, which is present in your data set. This is the data set we are using. We can change the data type of particular element. For example, this geography element having the data type as text. So we can change this by clicking on that element, and there is option which is change data type, or we can change that element to geographical role. So this is the element name is geography. So I will change the data type of that element from text to country or region. Now there are two sections, columns and rows. So we can place according to our presentation requirement, we can place the data into the rows and columns. For example, here I want to know how many male and how many female are from which countries and what are their number of products. Means I have to divide my data in such a way that I will get the categorization into two parts, male and female, with respect to their country and with respect to their number of products. And I have to I want to show this in terms of bar graph. So for this purpose, I will place this gender dimension into the rows section, so that it will create two rows, male and female. And I will place the number of products in column section, so that it will generate the number and the sum of that number of products according to the category, which is male or female. This is number of products. So this will automatically create your bar chart. Now this is horizontal chart. We can make it vertical by replacing these rows with number of products and columns with gender. If you want to undo the thing, you just place this into the blank section. I will place this gender into the columns and number of products into the rows. So it will create the vertical bar graph. So on the y-axis, it is showing number of products. On the x-axis, it is showing the category, male or female. Again, if you want to see this data according to the country, so for that, I will place this geography into the color section, and then it will categorize this again in form of countries, into the countries. So here the geography, this blue indicates France. So when you keep your cursor there, so it will show the gender, the geography, and the number of products for female category, similarly for male category. So this is how we can create multiple types of charts, multiple types of graphs using this software, this tool. So we will learn all this in our separate course of Tableau. So just visit our website to check the details. So in Tableau course, you will learn to create different charts. You will learn to use dimensions and measures appropriately. Learn to use different functions. There are various functions available in this software. Learn to create amazing dashboards. Learn to implement academic as well as industrial projects. Thank you.